I'd like to start this lesson with a topic about static and dynamic compositions in iconography. I think it's obvious that usually we present quasi-static figures and half figures on icons, especially if we present a single figure. Despite this, the figure arrangement can be static and dynamic. We've drawn and are going to draw only a static position of the figure. That means we will keep the shoulders symmetric. Here are examples of more dynamic positions of the figure in the format. Make sure that the whole figure is slightly turned and we can see the slight distortion in the size of the shoulders. The figure can be turned to the right or to the left. One interesting thing is that the turn of the face underlines the turn of the body and vice versa. When the master drew the dynamic body position with a symmetric face, the whole composition appears more static. Let's see one more time how it works. Working with a static figure position, we also have options. A symmetrical face or almost symmetrical face emphasizes the static of the figure and creates detached impression. Christ is present here, now, and forever in eternity. A slight turn of the face helps us to make the figure more dynamic, and at the same time it makes the icon feel more inviting, creates room for the beholder to communicate with the icon, and the face does not look so detached anymore. Usually, if the face is turned in one direction, the eyes are turned in the opposite direction. Sometimes this difference is emphasized, sometimes not. Anyway, it helps to establish even more of a connection between Christ and the beholder. It seems obvious, but these small things influence the final image a lot. At a certain point, you need to decide what kind of image you are going to create. More reserved and detached, or more open and inviting. What else can add dynamics in the icon? Let's look at these examples. These icons